Hi, my name is Liesel Wessels. I'm a portrait artist from Bloemfontein, South Africa. Addicted to Art Store asked that I create a few tutorials in pencil drawing. Today I'm just going to show you 5 ways how to blend or soften your pencil drawing. Now the first option, which is the most well-known option, is standard paper stamps. You can get these in different shapes and sizes. I specifically like the smaller ones, as you can get into very finer kind of areas or details. The second option is soft tools. These are actually used for with pan pastel, but I quite like them with my pencil drawing. And what is nice about these is that when the sleeves get very dirty, you can actually just replace them. So you can see they are quite potent to soften your pencil drawings. Now the third option is quite nice. It's actually quite cheap. It's your normal Q-tips or cotton wool, and they are actually quite potent. The only thing that's bad about them is that they get very dirty and quickly, and so it's the only thing about them that I don't like, but as you can see they blend quite nicely. Now the fourth option is just a normal soft brush. These are kind of like when I want to blend an area but I don't necessarily want to lose the quality of a drawing underneath. So for example, here where I already made like little lines, if you just want to soften certain parts, this is actually quite a nice tool. And then last but not least is your normal putty rubber. Now putty rubber is great if you want to make certain areas a little bit lighter, or if you have a very harsh line, you can make it a little bit softer. So yeah, and that's why I use my putty rubber actually as a drawing tool and not just to erase certain areas. Okay, but let's talk and more drawing.